Let's take a look at target 14, compounding money, annual only. You guys, the key to this question is that this is annual only. You're going to notice that when we do target 14B, it's compounding monthly or quarterly over time. That is different than annual only. Therefore, we'll use a different strategy in the next video. With it being annual only, it is really pretty straightforward. It's that whole idea that we're moving from 100%. So if we're at 100% and we're increasing in this case by 6.25%, then we just add that on. So we add 6.25% on to 100%, get 106.25%. That's how much growth we're getting on our money. And then you move that back 2 places, and that's your multiplier. So your multiplier is 1.0625 in this case, because we add it to 100%, we move it back 2 places, and then we know that that's what we're going to be multiplying by. Now, in this case, Dusty won $125,000, so we put $125,000 on the front. That's your initial value of what it starts at, multiplied by this, and then to the t power, because it says write an expression that represents how much money Dusty would have in t years. And then because it's annual, you have t power, and that's all you need to do. Now, the next thing would be then to calculate how much money is he going to have 23 years later. For me, I would just jump to my calculator and just type it in. 125,000 times 1.0625 to the 23rd power, and you'll notice that it's just a little over 504,000. And with correct rounding, money, remember, goes 2 decimal places, so it would be, that's a 3, so that's going to keep this a 0, so it's $504,052.30. That's pretty much it for this particular target. The concept or idea is that it's annual only, and your multiplier is going to have a 1 in front because you're adding it on to 100%.